Lana from Notable Piano Lessons. Today we're going over the hand Mirror My God to Thee. And I'm not going to do a full extensive review on this, but just to show you what the basic chords are in Mirror My God to Thee, and then you can take it and do with it however you want to improvise with it with some of the things that we've learned before. But it starts out in verse 1 with an F chord. Okay, and then we have a C7. Now C7, you can just play regular C if you would like, or a C7 chord is you add the 7th tone of the scale. So this would be the C chord, the C scale. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that would be a C major 7. Kind of sounds like moon music. To make it a C7, you take the top note and you take it down a half a step, and it sounds like that. So that would be your C7, and that's a big chord to play for a beginner. So you could actually take that B flat and put it down here. That might even be harder though. Anyway, that's an option. Or you can just drop it and play a C chord. The next chord is D minor. So D minor is just D, F, A, and then we have B flat. B flat, D, and F. Okay, so it'd just be, I'm just gonna sing through this, though I'm not a solo singer, I'll just do the best I can. You could do some rocking motion on the chords. I changed whatever I played on the top, I just played the outer shell of that. So on that C7, I actually played this, Let's do that again. That's one thing, and then I could do some inversions. So I would just go da, da, okay. Okay, so you saw those inversions right there. So right on still. Still my song shall be, nearer my God to thee, nearer my God to thee, nearer to thee. Okay, so practice trying some inversions on that and see how that goes. I hope that works out.